Good morning, here's your Chambana Weather Morning Minute for Wednesday, February 26th. The heaviest snow of the event is falling right now outside our window here. I can see the roadways are starting to cover with snow, so if you're headed out the door this morning, plan to leave early, taking it slow. 1 to 3 inches of snow expected by the time it tapers off later on this afternoon. I think we'll probably end up very close to 2 inches here in Champaign-Urbana and across Champaign County. Those northwest winds blowing 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusting to 30 miles per hour at times, going to lead to periods of reduced visibility and blowing snow, especially out in those rural areas. Tonight, cloudy, a low of 20. Tomorrow, we'll see some sunshine, still some clouds sticking around in the area, of high of 31 degrees. Snow will be sticking around for a couple of days on the ground until we warm up this weekend. So you look at temperatures right now, 32 degrees in Champaign-Urbana, that freezing line kind of right across central Illinois as we see that snow falling. Looking at the satellite picture, Champaign-Urbana is located right about here in the midst of the storm system here. You see that counterclockwise flow, that is our area of low pressure. So we take a look at the local radar here, Champaign-Urbana, Champaign County, again, seeing that heaviest snow move through the area right now. This was expected. We talked about the storm a lot yesterday, but talking about the biggest impacts not coming until the overnight into the morning commute on Wednesday. So as expected, those heavy snow flurries, or just heavy snow period, coming down across central Illinois is accumulating fast. It is sticking to the roadways, leading to some slippery conditions. And then again, the blowing snow could lead to reduced visibility as those strong winds come in on the backside of this storm system as we head through the day today. So a look at the high resolution rapid refresh, the forecast here. This will show that snow getting out of here as we head through the later part of the day, sticking around through the morning, probably tapering off as we get into the late morning, close to the lunch hour, although we could still see some spotty flurries as we head through the end of the day today into the evening and early tonight. So possible that we'll see snow flurries continuing through much of the day, but the heavy, steady snow should wrap up here during the late morning hours. We'll look at the NAM model here, taking it a little bit further out because we do have a very slight chance of some snow flurries as we get into Thursday night and Friday morning. If I could stop clicking off of the map, there we go. Watching the system to depart here midday today, becoming a problem for the northeast as we head into tonight and tomorrow. And then here's the little clipper system that comes in on the backside. The bulk of this looks like it's going to pass off to the south, but still not impossible Thursday night into very early Friday morning. We could just see a few light snow flurries, not expecting accumulation from this. Taking it even further with the European model, I want to show you the next active period that we're going to be looking at, and it comes on the backside of the weekend into early next week. We'll see this storm system departing, lifting off into the northeast. We'll see the Clipper system come through Thursday night into Friday morning as we just look at the next couple of days. And there it is. And then as we see this ridge, you see the jet stream contours here. This ridge begins to slide to the east. That's going to help us warm up as we get to the backside of the weekend, as we dig a trough into the west coast, the western half of the U.S., and start pumping storm systems back into the region. That is going to keep things active across the Midwest, across the Ohio River Valley as we head into early next week. Temperatures on a bit of a roller coaster ride. Cool now, warmer this weekend into early next week, and then a shot of cool air likely to come on the backside of the next storm system as we get into March 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th. So as we look out over the next 10 to 14 days really across central Illinois, seeing those temperatures doing the roller coaster ride, but never getting too cool. Seeing the highs drop into the 30s here in the valleys, and then warming back up into the 50s in each of these little warm stretches, which you can see here on the 5-day outlook. I'll go ahead and click ahead. Dealing with the cool stretch here over the next couple of days. High temperatures right around 32 degrees, those lows around 20. Warming up quickly, though, as we head into the end of the weekend, into early next week. A high of 52 on Monday as our next chance for rain works its way back into the region. Have a great day, and again, just take it safe. Don't be silly out there on the roads. Make it to where you're going safely instead of quickly. Have a great day.